What is up, IRSD educators? Jeff here, and welcome to episode 3 of our Tech Tip Tuesday series, Artificial Intelligence in the K-12 Classroom. Let's start off with a quick definition of AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to develop computer systems capable of performing tasks normally requiring human intelligence. Generative AI, or GenAI systems, are deep learning AI models that can generate high-quality text, images, and other content based on the data they were trained upon. 3 common types of generative AI tools include generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, purpose-built GenAI tools, and integrated GenAI tools. Integrated generative AI tools allow users to leverage AI within a specific tool for a specific purpose. The generative AI features are supplemental to the purpose of the tool. Examples of IRSD apps that fall into this category are Kami, Edpuzzle, Pear Deck, and Canva. Purpose-built generative AI tools are built with GenAI as the foundation of their function. These tools leverage GenAI to create specific artifacts or perform certain tasks. Examples of purpose-built tools specific to education include Magic School, Diffit, School AI, and others. Finally, GPTs like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini are generative pre-trained transformers. They allow users to ask questions or prompt the model in basic conversational English. The GPT then provides novel outputs in a range of formats, from text and images to video and even computer code. If you're interested in trying out GenAI, but you're unsure of where to start or you feel overwhelmed, we suggest starting with integrated GenAI tools. We suggest starting here because many of these platforms are already familiar to staff and because the AI integration helps teachers by performing tasks that save time, like drafting questions to check for understanding. The second reason we suggest starting here is that when AI is integrated into district-approved tools, there's less potential for sensitive data, like personally identifiable information, to become compromised because we already have signed terms and conditions agreements in place with these vendors. If you're looking to explore further by either jumping into using a GPT or a purpose-built AI platform, or you've been using these types of GenAI tools, we suggest that you pause and check out PDMS Course 42922, Foundations of Safe and Ethical Generative AI Use in the Classroom. This course has 3 goals that will help you learn more about the function of generative AI tools and provide practical example activities for you to try. The course kicks off with a focus on large language models. GPTs are examples of large language models, so the first goal of the course is for learners to be able to explain the basic function, benefits, and drawbacks of AI with specific emphasis on LLMs. The second goal focuses on empowering educators to be able to leverage public-facing LLMs in compliance with internet safety regulations. In the third lesson, you'll learn how to evaluate purpose-built platforms using a range of rubrics and materials to gain more insight about how these tools function, as well as to think about ways to approach your building or district leadership about licensing for these tools. And that's it. Be sure to tune in next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday on AI in the K-12 classroom.